6 cities of refuge in the Old Testament and their purpose. Kedesh in Galilee in the northern territory of Naphtali. Shechem in the territory of Ephraim. Hebron in the territory of Judah. Bezer in the territory of Reuben, east of the Jordan River. Ramoth in Gilead in the territory of Gad, east of the Jordan. Golan in Bashan in the territory of Manasseh, also east of the Jordan. The primary purpose of these cities was to provide asylum for individuals who had committed manslaughter unintentionally. The ancient Israelite law distinguished between murder and manslaughter, and the cities of refuge were an essential part of this legal distinction. Asylum from the avenger of blood. In a time when family or clan retaliation, blood vengeance, was common, these cities provided a safe haven for someone who had killed another unintentionally. This allowed for a cooling-off period and prevented a cycle of violence between families. Legal assessment. Once a person fled to a city of refuge, they were given a fair trial to determine the nature of the crime. If found guilty of manslaughter rather than premeditated murder, they were allowed to stay in the city of refuge and be protected from the avenger of blood. If they left the city prematurely, the protection was void, and they could be killed by the avenger of blood without consequence. Expiration of asylum. The asylum ended with the death of the high priest, who was in office at the time of the trial. After the high priest's death, the individual could return to their own city without fear of retaliation. Promotion of justice and mercy. These cities underscored the importance of both justice and mercy within the Israelite legal system. They ensured that an accidental death did not lead to unnecessary bloodshed while also providing a process for justice to be served. The cities of refuge are an example of how ancient laws attempted to balance justice with mercy, providing a system that protected both the accused and the community. They reflect the broader themes of forgiveness, protection, and legal fairness that are found throughout the biblical text.